Hi guys, today we will explain how to change Add to Cart button color on Shopify. This process is really simple and easy at parties. We will paste a code, and no need to worry, because I already written a code in my notepad, and you have to copy this code for the first time, and then we will use the next code for changing the color. So let's get started. Let me minimize it. And now, let's go back to our tutorial. As you can see, I am on the homepage of my Shopify store, and from here, take a look. On the left side, you will see multiple options. From these, you have to select the option Online Store. Once you click on it below, you will see 3 more options. From here, you have to select the option Themes. Once you will select Themes, here, you can see your all themes. Now scroll down and tap on that theme on which you want to change the color. So click on these 3 dots, and tap on the option Edit Code. Once you will click on the option Edit Code, you will be moved to the section where you can edit each and single code of your Shopify store. Now take a look on the left top you will see and search bar icon. Click on it. And here you have to write products. Once you write products, scroll down, and here you can see the option of section main product. Click on it. Once you will click on it here, you will see all the written codes of products. The first thing you have to do is simply do a click here. Now, type Ctrl+F. Once you see the option of Find here, we have to paste a code, and that is written in my notepad. So let me open my notepad. And this one is the first code which we will paste. This code is product minus form __ submit. You have to write _ 2 times. So once you write, copy and paste here. Once I will paste, I will click enter, and again, you will see the option of product form. Submit what you have to do. Click on the second line and press enter in order to change the color. Let me open my notepad and here for changing the background color. Here you can see background minus color and enter this sign, ##. This one is the written code, so let me copy it, and I will paste here. Now how can you find the color code? In order to find any color code, what you have to do, open the Google and simply write hex color code. And on the top, you will see website. Click on it. And here you can see you will find all the colors. Scroll down. And here, if I take this line to any color, then you can see the code has been changed, and I can swipe this line from top to bottom to check any other color. Now if I scroll down more here, you will see a lot of colors. In order to find any color code, I need to click on that. And you can see I need to just copy this code. If I copy this, and we'll paste here. And for pasting it, I need to remove the first. You can see I paste, and be careful while pasting the code. You only need to write 1 hash. And remove the previous one. It will help to change the background color. Now, in order to change the text colors, again, press enter. And here you have the right color. Once you write color, now simply add this and hit space. Once you write, I will write a random color. Below, you can see the option of blue. Click on it. And also, you can paste the RGB color by doing the same. Go to the website, copy the code, and paste here instead of blue. Now you can see the code has been pasted. Now the last thing is, click on this option, Save. Once you will click on the option, Save, this will be saved, and your Add to Cart button color will be changed, plus your text color. Now go to that page and check the final result. And it was the fundamental way by which you change the Add to Cart button color easily.